Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, I just wanted to share. Well, first of all, this is not a paid advertisement. I wish that it was, but right now it's not. So, this is Bare Minerals. This is my favorite foundation, and I use this NYK brush to apply it. It's a slanted brush with slightly indentation on the inside. I do have a Bare Minerals brush. Hold on. So I also have a Bare Minerals brush. It needs to be cleaned. The writing is very faded, but yeah, I have this Bare Minerals brush as well, but obviously I didn't use that one. I used this NYK brush, and I just took a little bit of the powder because it is a powder. And this is, let's see, medium dark. Yeah, it's the medium dark. Trying to see the number. Is that 142 or something? I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. Anyway, but I use this also, this exfoliating washcloth, first to cleanse my face. Then I put a MAC primer on. It was a sample. Time. I can't see what that says. I don't know if you can tell what it says on the back or on the bottom. But anyway, yeah, medium dark, and I put on a primer from MAC. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just bought some lashes from MAC the other day, and I got a free sample. But anyway, took my brush. I'm going to clean today. And I put a little bit of the powder on and just kind of blended it in really well, making sure to go over all the areas up to my hairline. I pretty much already did it, but I'm just kind of showing you what I did. Some people put it on their ears and their neck so everything kind of blends together. I didn't really do all of that, but I can. And there you go. Really simple. And then I put on my purple lip, which is from my Etsy shop, www.circa2009.com, and it's the purple one. So that's it. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick because I love this Bare Minerals. I don't wear foundation often, but when I do, I just, like I said, blend it really well, and you can see a little close up. Let's see. I had y'all in the medicine cabinet. So, yep. Haven't had my eyebrows done in years because I don't have much. And then when I do have them done, they were plucking them too much. So, I tried to give it a chance to grow back in, like on the ends. But my hair is very fine on my head and my eyebrows. Sometimes I stencil them in with a little bit of the brown. I have a stencil, an eyebrow stencil, and a brown powder, and I'll sometimes fill them in that way, and they make them look a little fuller. But I'm not doing all that today. I'm going to go deliver packages for Amazon. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.